All right, with so many options for healthcare right here in our valley, do what's best for your family by connecting with a group that focuses on wellness instead of profiting from sickness. P3 Health Partners is a physician-led organization that keeps patients at the center of care.
I love this. The physicians are saying, you know what, we're taking this over because
That's
you guys
right.
aren't doing a good job. P3 Health Partners. We have Tracy Wakefield, MD. She's the president of the Nevada Medical Group, and Sherry Bottager. She is the chief organizational officer. It's great having both of you. Welcome in.
It's great to be here.
Ladies.
Thanks.
P3 Health Partners. We're turning this whole thing on its head and we're making it better. Let's talk about it.
So we're really a group, like you said, a physician-led organization of physicians and clinicians. We've all come together to build a new medical group where we can kind of throw that corporate culture out of the way and focus on what we do best, which is take care of patients.
That's excellent. Let's talk about what P3 Health Partners is going to offer different than what people are getting right now from their doctors.
So what you're really used to is seeing the doctor when you're ill, right? So seeking care, right? So our goal is that we'll definitely see you when you're ill, but it's also trying to prevent that illness in the first place, keeping you well, wrapping our arms around you, giving you access to your provider, when you need it, to keep you well and keep all those other things from happening.
That's fantastic.
Beautiful.
Are your doctors new to the Southern Nevada area or no?
So we have had the great fortune of recruiting 25 amazing providers from around the valley.
Awesome.
They bring tremendous experience to our new team, and they have that same passion and vision about really turning healthcare on its head and making sure that we reach out to folks and keep them well as opposed to waiting for them to show up when they're sick.
Because that's typically when the most money's made is you wait for them to get sick and you sell them the pills that are really expensive.
Exactly. Historical models are all about illness, and we're all about health. And so while the 25 physicians that we've recruited so far are local, and our community will certainly recognize their faces, we are embarking on national recruitment, looking for like-minded providers that want to come in and help us transform Las Vegas.
That's fantastic.
I think it's amazing. I bet there's a lot of docs who are, they're looking for a change. Doctors have been saying for years they're not able to treat their patients in the best way that they're educated to because they're being held back by costs and administration and insurance. So this is a great thing. How many locations will you have around the valley?
So we are very excited. We are opening our first 4 locations in about 3 weeks.
Wow, great. At once, I love this.
Yeah. So we'll have locations in Green Valley and Seven Hills, as well as Summerlin and Southern Hills. And midsummer, we'll open another location up by Mountain View Hospital. And then in the fall, another 4 locations. So we plan to grow a lot this year.
That's awesome. There we go. Southern Hills right down the street from my house. I like that. That's great. You guys are participating in an Age Well Expo this weekend as well, right?
Yeah. So at the Rio Convention Center, there is for anyone out there that's 50 years and older, are welcome to come join us. There'll be about 100 national and local vendors helping you learn about things like diet and exercise, all the traditional things, but vacation and retirement planning and just anything that, how do you live better after 50?
Awesome.
Perfect. And are you taking appointments yet? Where can people learn more? Where can people connect with you?
So we are already taking appointments for May. They can call us at our phone is 702-910-3950, or they can find us online at builtbydoctors.org.
Awesome.
And better yet, come join us at the Age Well Expo this Saturday and come meet us, and we can schedule your appointments there.
This is a great opportunity, by the way, because having moved here now twice, and you walk in and you're trying to find good doctors, you hear from friends, oh, who do you have? And then all of a sudden that doctor, oh, they're full, they're not taking any new patients. Or, oh, they only treat Medicare age patients and you can't squeeze in. I've had a doctor where I had them for a while, then they became Medicare only and they squeezed me out and I was left alone. So this is a great opportunity to get in early and get in with great doctors and be able to get the care they deserve. How have you talked to patients about their experiences to be able to model this, or?
Right, and that's kind of what we looked at. What were the problems patients are encountering trying to access healthcare? So for us, it's really giving you access to your provider, and like we said, not just when you're sick, but to hopefully prevent that all from happening. So getting them in, getting them seen, and letting us kind of wrap our arms around you the whole time, and have that experience together.
I think a lot of people are excited by the idea of having a relationship with their doctor that encourages wellness rather than, like Sean said, just something where you go only when you're sick and you wind up being sent home with a prescription. I mean, there are a lot of people out there that are, wanting to enhance their health, right from the get-go. So this is a great model. You're already working with a model like this in Arizona? Is that
well,
right?
we actually do some work in Arizona kind of similarly. But yeah, our focus on our medical group though is here in Nevada.
Of course.
But we have other things going on in other areas because we want to bring this type of care anywhere we can.
Across the country.
Right, where we can wrap our arms around patients, focus on keeping them well, not just treating them when they're sick.
Absolutely. Well, it's great work that you're doing.
Thank you so
Congratulations
much.
on everything.
Yeah.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Thank you.
They focus first and foremost on patient care. Connect with P3 Health Partners by visiting their website, or you can call the number right there on your screen. You can also find them on Facebook, and they're on Instagram. Wow, very hip of them. P3 Health Partners is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.